Okay, this is day 2 of the 1982 GS750E. I have just completed an oil and filter change on the bike. That went very smoothly. Everything was in place where it should be. On day 1 I also let out the brake system. I've got new brake fluid front and back. When I was test driving it, I adjusted the clutch so that doesn't slip anymore. That's functioning as it should. And when I picked up the bike, I tested the voltage output and found that the voltage output on the bike was around 12 volts nominally, and then when you rev the bike up, it only went up to about 12.5. So when I brought that up, the previous owner said that this new regulator rectifier was included with the purchase of the bike. So before I go and buy a new one, what I will do is mount this one up, and we will check our, and this is a brand new unit, it actually looks like a Rix unit, but we will hook this up and check our voltage, and hopefully that solves our problem. Installation is going to be super straightforward here. It's a matter of connecting these 3 yellow wires to the output wires from the stator, connecting the red wire to the red wire, and then it has an extra green wire here that's going to get connected to ground. So it's not rocket science, but you definitely want to have your wires in the correct places. Alright, we'll get into it.